Yes. 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 I am here. I am Ophelia. I want you all to remember that you are infinite beings. I want you to feel into that statement rather than just accepting it as a concept. Feel what infinite feels like. You all have a tendency to think small. You box yourselves in with your concepts of space and time. And because you experience so much of your world with your five senses, your five senses are telling you the lie of limitation. They are telling you that there's a finite amount of this and that, and even that your time here is finite. But you are eternal and infinite. There is no end to you. There is no way to quantify you. You can experience yourselves as limited and finite, but that will always be a choice to narrow your focus, a choice to place those limitations on yourselves. You can be infinite when you are being present. That is how I would recommend that you experience your infinite nature. Move into your now moment with a fluidity and with a joyous attitude. That will take you out of limitation and space-time, before and after, beginning and end. You will know yourselves as infinite and eternal as you allow yourselves to feel it, to be it, and to know it. Your minds cannot comprehend it, but they can accept it. As you feel into your heart center, and you notice that there is no end to what you can feel. That is one way to begin to experience your infinite selves. Have fun playing with this experience. You cannot get this wrong. You cannot miss the mark. You can only experience levels of your infinite self. You can experience flavors of it, dimensions of it. And when you know yourselves as one with everything, and you can feel the essence of who you are stretching out far beyond the confines of what you can perceive with your five senses, then you will sync up with your true nature as a divine being of love and light, and you will embrace it all with arms that open infinitely wide. I am Ophelia, and I love you.